All right, Brooke, we're gonna play Smart Rider games. It's just a fun little game with 10 cones. I'm gonna set it up. We have our e-bike right there and then the motorcycle right there, but you're gonna be riding the motorcycle. So I'm just gonna set it up real quick. So the whole point of this is to see how fast we can go, but I want you to just kind of focus on not falling, okay? This is a fun game to play with a motorcycle, an e-bike, regular bicycle. It'll get you used to riding. Normally I'd put 2 more cones over there since you're first starting. I'll show you what these are all about. All right. So you have your boots, you have pants on, long sleeve, and we're gonna use the helmet, and we're gonna use the Rebel 500. I'm gonna show you a little bit on that, but I'm gonna show you how to actually start this up and how to ride it. So I can go over all the specifics, but mainly it's turning like a bicycle. You're not pedaling, you're using a little bit of the power of the motorcycle. This is a 500cc, so really at the end of the day, you're not having to go into second or third or fourth gear. So you don't have to worry about shifting. So it's just turning, going, stopping. That's it.